Everybody, Jeremy here with another episode of Daily Marketing. Today we are going to do the pixel setup for WordPress and/or Woocommerce. So Woocommerce, super popular e-commerce platform that's on WordPress, right? A lot of people using it, so I wanted to go through that. But also, you should be installing the pixel even if you just have regular WordPress without Woocommerce, right? Plenty of reasons to use the pixel, especially if you aren't necessarily doing e-commerce play, right? So what we're going to do, we're in our business manager, right? We've clicked onto our ad account. As usual, we're going to go up here to the top left hamburger menu. Going to go over to pixels, and we're going to click on the pixels there. And then once we get to the pixel here, there's two ways of doing this. So I'm going to show the first way with Woocommerce, which is super simple, right? So we're going to go to the pixel. That's cool. We're going to click the pixel, right? We're going to go into the top right corner here. We're going to click Setup. We're going to click Use an Integration Manager. We are going to go down to Woocommerce, right? You download the zip file, then you upload it into your Woocommerce account, right? So you go to the settings in Woocommerce. You're going to go to the dashboard, click Plugins, Add New. You're going to upload the plugin. It's the Facebook for WordPress plugin. You're going to install, or you're going to activate that, right? And then you're going to verify your connection. This one's already active. Our old friends, Tanks that get around, do that great. So you can do that to upload, like it said, a plugin. Just going over here to this side of it. You can install a catalog with that. We're going to go through that later. That's through the integration. But I'm just going to go down into our plugins here, just show the installed plugins. So on the WordPress side, right? You would click Add New plugin, right? And you would click Upload there. Now I'm going to go back to just our already installed plugins. And we're going to go down and we're going to see Facebook for Woocommerce, right? And so the only difference that you would, if you weren't going to do that, is you would go Setup, Integration or Tag Manager, WordPress, right? And then it would just be a different download. So you would just click that, right? It would just be a slightly different one that wasn't for Woocommerce, right? So it's pretty much exactly the same process. So very, very easy stuff, right? I think that, again, get the Pixel Helper. If you haven't gotten Pixel Helper, definitely get Pixel Helper. Pixel Helper is this guy right up here, and it can show you the Facebook page pixel on each one, right? And so this is like Facebook's pixel right here. So cool stuff, very useful to test and make sure, that the right pixel is on the site and that the pixel's firing and everything else. So very, very simple stuff, easy to set up. The pixel for WordPress or WooCommerce, right? Probably the most powerful, not the most powerful, but definitely one of the most used, most flexible, kind of best of both worlds is WordPress, and WooCommerce is up there definitely with e-commerce solutions. So a lot of people really using that. I feel like I hear it's WooCommerce or Shopify all the time. So definitely, applicable to a lot of you, making sure that you get your pixels set up. Crazy important to be able to, properly track. And if you can't track anything, you don't even know how your ads are performing. That's no good. Can't have that. So got to be tracking with the Facebook pixels. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you all so much, and happy